G'day everybody, my name is Marcus Ferguson, Cultural Sites Officer for Jagun Alliance. I'm here at Duck Creek today. Beautiful area I haven't been to for a very long time. To me this place is very special. I see a lot of my old people and travelling through this landscape, and it's good to be actually out on country here with the landowners and sharing that knowledge with them. So, it's been a great day, and I look forward to getting along the creek and having a look at some more areas. Thank you.
Okay. Yep, so you're getting an edge on both
sides. So, same again. So, I want to start a surface. There's your axe.
Right. Okay.
Feel that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, it's about angles. So I'm doing it like that, so they're nice and short little ones. If I go down on an angle like that,
Into it. Wow.
so see, by me going like that, I'm taking the little edges off. But if I want to run it down to the middle, I'm coming down on an angle. So I'm basically holding like that and
Wow.
and it comes in cruddy, soft stuff, but see how these fresh are different?
Yep.
So that's pretty cruddy stuff.
Yep.
But the high quality stuff made us like glass.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. And when you can't see through them, that's chert. Chert can come in all different colours. When it's sort of translucent, you can see smoky bands in it.
Yep.
That's Chalcedony. So it'll have white, yellow, whatever.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and see them? See the bowl? That's when you hit it, it fractures and it creates a percussion, bowl of percussion.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. So when I look at a rock, I can actually tell that he's hit it from there, there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then sometimes you can tell whether he's left or right-handed.
Yeah. Wow.
Just by the shavings where they land on the ground. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty good stuff this here. Oh, dingo, what is it? Geode. It's not metal. Oh, look at it, look, chert. On the side, look. There it is. Chert.
Just come up out of the
When the lava flows, all the gases, all the crud and high temperatures get locked in, and that's when they crystallise into a geode. But look at that, that's good material. Whatever size of the handle that's going to be, so I've got a W over to about there. So what I do, dig all that out like a skateboard bowl, so that's sort of like just a little hinge, and then you put him in the fire, soften him up, bend him over, and then tie them both together, stick some resin in there.
Ah, okay.
And there's your
hold
handle
it,
for your axe.
Yes.
Yep.